Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark communities as unread on Facebook using your PC. With the new update, this feature is now easier to access than ever before. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook account and navigate to the Messenger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Messenger interface. Next, locate and click on the Communities tab. This will display a list of all the communities you are a part of. Now, find the specific community you would like to mark as unread. Hover over the community and click on the three dots that appear next to it. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select Mark as Unread. This action will ensure that the community is flagged as unread, making it easier for you to revisit and engage with it later. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can mark communities as unread on Facebook using your PC. This new update makes it convenient to manage your community interactions and stay organized. Give it a try and enhance your Facebook experience today. Thank you for watching.